Wayfinding is everything that you do and interact with when you're trying to get from A to B and using a space. It's about the kind of experience and customer experience element, as well as that kind of navigating and finding your way around. Signs are part of that, and that's the tangible thing that people see. But all the kind of work that goes behind that sign, that is wayfinding, it's the whole thing. A lot of it is about research and really understanding what is the problem.
Research is extremely important. What we've really sought to try and do is to get more evidence-based design. Go out there to the market, start interviewing people, start observing people, start testing products, testing our methodology, really trying to enable a better product and experience for people.
Wayfinding as a science is fascinating because it's something that's quite recent in terms of the field. It's an area which is constantly progressing in terms of understanding how the brain works and how people make decisions, whether it's subconsciously or consciously. And wayfinding is exciting in that we try and understand those elements and build that into our designs, and we create environments which makes the wayfinding process as, intuitive as possible.
And that crosses all the disciplines that we do. So it could be trying to understand how partially sighted people can absorb mapping information. It might be something about different user groups. What's the experience of a family travelling through an airport for the first time? Really, as a designer's responsibility to understand the different needs of everybody, their different anxieties, their different requirements, and their different moments of delight.
If you want to know what the user wants, you can't guess. You've got to speak to them. We produce things like questionnaires, and we go out and actually, if it's maybe an urban realm scheme, we would go out there and actually ask people about how they're navigating the space and how they're getting around. And again, same in train stations. Some of the stations I've worked in, we would go to the customer information desk, talk to the staff and ask them the kind of things that they're facing on a daily basis. So there's a real element of that human element that if you want to know what people want, you've got to ask them.
So it's really important to have that user-centric approach, because at the end of the day, we're designing products and environments to better the lives of all of us.